So hello everyone, I hope everyone doing great and fine. So in recent video I have told that I have been selected in campus placement. So in today's video I will discuss about what is selection procedure for me, what kind of questions they have asked to me, and I would like to inform you about in which company I have been selected in, what is my package. So all the things I will share with all of you. But before that I would like to say one more thing is in next video I will discuss about how to do preparation for campus placement, and so that video is going to be useful to everyone. So you have to share this video so that everyone can be benefited of the next video, and after completing the second video I will come live. So even if you have any doubt, then definitely you can ask to me and I will try to resolve all those questions. So now let's discuss. So first of all, I want to inform you that I have completed my CMA in single attempt with 66.625%. That is average of foundation, inter and final. As well as I have completed my graduation, that is BCom. So on that basis, I have been shortlisted in 4 companies out of 5 companies. Because till date, only the list of 5 companies is available on the website. So I have been shortlisted in 4 companies. First is Accenture Operations, CMA Limited, Invenio Business Solution, and fourth company is Kalpataru Power Transmission. So first interview is held by the Accenture Operation for me. So what is the interview procedure for the me? Because I have been selected in the Accenture Operation, so I would like to give information about the Accenture Operation only. So first only there is only one interview. There is no GD, there is no test, because there is only one technical round of interview. On that basis they are selecting. So I have been my interview was of only 7 minutes. I think 7 to 10 minutes between that my interview was completed. So next point is what kind of questions they have asked. But before moving that topic, I would like to give one more point here is my interview was taken on 3rd May. Remember the dates. My interview was taken on 3rd May, and on the 4th May many people are getting email that you are selected, but I didn't get any mail from the Accenture Operation that I have been selected. So I think I have not been selected in the Accenture Operation, and that is why I am not getting the mail. So that I think that's fine, because I have been shortlisted in 4 companies. Now I have to prepare for the another company. So that is fine if I have not selected in the Accenture Operation. But suddenly on 11th May, I got mail from the Accenture Operation that I have been shortlisted. So suddenly I was happy, and on around 12:30 I got the mail, and I have to revert that mail till 5 p.m. So that is the procedure. So suddenly I have given my consent to the institute as well as Accenture Operation. But one point, the moral of the story is don't lose hope, because you may selected in any company at any point of time. So that is the point I would like to clarify. Now third point is why I have not been shortlisted in CMA Limited. Because in CMA Limited selection procedure is like first written test, second is group discussion, and third is only interview. So that is the procedure for CMA Limited. But I have first gave the written test. In written test I got 19 out of 19, even though I have not been shortlisted for the CMA Limited. And now I am frustrated, because even though I got 100% marks, I have not shortlisted for the group discussion. But suddenly on 11th May I got the mail from Accenture Operation that I have been selected. So that is not an issue for me, even if I have not been shortlisted in CMA Limited or any other companies. So that is the point I would like to clarify. Next point is what kind of questions they have asked in the interview. As I have already told, my interview was of only 7 to 10 minutes between that. Because why 7 to 10 minutes? Because if you are giving answers correctly, then definitely they are not going to take interview long, because that is an online interview. So they are not taking interview very long. They are taking an online interview within 10 minutes. So within 10 minutes we will get to know about whether selected or not. So in the 10 minutes what kind of questions they have asked. So first question is introduction about yourself. That is the but obvious question. We have to reply about on that question. Second question they have asked is what kind of interest you have. So we have to reply what kind of interest I have. Third point is they have straightforward asked me what you want to be in company. So that is the very very crucial question, because on that question they may decide, because what you on that basis they may decide whether the candidate has selected or not, because that question is important, what you want to be in company. Fourth question is about the practical training, because in practical training what kind of work I have been done. So on that basis they have asked me 2-3 ratios, that is working capital ratio, capital ratio, and after that they have given me a first case study. Case study is simple, not an easy, that is accounting case study, like welfare staff welfare account debit to purchase account, that is goods goes from other mean. So that is the basic case study they have given, and I have to reply. I have to do a journal entry for the same. Next question is what is the benefit of the bank reconciliation statement. So the only basic question they have asked, and on that basis they have selected me, because they are targeting what kind of how we are expressing ourselves. That is the very very important, how confidently we are able to present ourselves. That is very very important. So at the end of the interview they have asked me, if you have any question then definitely we have to prepare our question, because if you are not asking the question to the company, then they might feel that you are not interested in the profile. So definitely we have to ask the question. So that is the basic question they have asked. So in the next video I will definitely inform you which kind of questions you have to do, from which book you have to do, what kind of amendment you have to do. So I will discuss in the next video. So I hope you are getting what I want to say. So that is the selection process is very simple, only one round of interviews there. On that basis I have been selected. So interview was of only 7 to 10 minutes. So that is the very very important point I would like to clarify, because in case of online interview there is no restriction that you have to give only for interview. In case of you are shortlisted in 10 companies, you can give the interview of 10 companies till the you are selecting whichever is the earlier. For example, in the 5th interview you have been selected, then after that you have been blocked from further interviews. So that is the simple procedure from institute side. So that is the point I would like to clarify. But in case of online interview only, in case of offline interview you can give only 4 interviews. So that is the restriction. So I hope you are getting what I want to say. So that is the simple selection procedure from the Accenture operation, and I would like to thank you everyone, because in the last video I got a tremendous response from your side, that you have congratulating me and all the things. So thank you very much to everyone. And next important point is you have to share this video, because in the next video I will discuss some important points. So you have to share this video so that everyone can be get benefit out of the next video, and after that I will come live. So that is the point I would like to clarify. So thank you everyone and all the best, and don't take much pressure about the campus placement and about the examination. Everything is going to be smooth, and you have to just be confident. That's enough for you. So you will definitely get success out of it. So thank you very much for giving me a time and listening me. So thank you, bye bye, and take care and all the best, and take care of yourself and your family as well, and be proactive against such disease, so that you will definitely you are not be infected because of that disease. You have to be a proactive. That's it. So thank you, bye bye, and take care and all the best for your exam and upcoming exam. Thank you, bye bye.